What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, March 3rd, and we are back at it with another video. Today's video is just going to be a mini haul of all the things I picked up from our local Burlington store. So if you're interested in this video, just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start off with some of the smaller things I picked up. Let's see what we got in our goodie bag. I'm going to show this one first. So I got myself some ear warmers. Is that what they're called? They're super cute and fluffy. They're from BB or Bebe. Let's go ahead and try them on. We still have some cold weather coming, so oh, they're so cozy. Another thing that I picked up from Burlington were these little bamboo earrings from Guess. And I also picked up some rings as well. I thought these were really, really pretty from Guess. Don't mind the hands if they're ashy. Look how pretty that is. Alright. And last but not least, for one of the smaller things I picked up was this pink Adidas hat. I love it. This is for my bad hair days. I've been needing a hat for all my bad hair days, so this will definitely do. I'm not gonna put it all the way on because I'm not trying to mess up my little do. But yeah, that's all the small stuff. The next things I'm going to show you are clothing items that I picked up. I went to Burlington to pick up stuff for my boys. They didn't have anything that I wanted, so I ended up picking all this stuff for myself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. Alright, so this is going to be like an initial try-on haul, I would say. I got this cute little jacket. My husband says it looks like a carpet. But I thought it was super cute. I don't know, let's see how it looks. It's in a size small. Ooh, it's so cozy. It's super cozy, and I think you can dress it up or down. And it's just a nice light gray. It's super furry. It does actually look like a carpet, but it's cozy. So here's one of the dresses I picked up from Burlington. It's just a mustard sweater dress. It stops at about my knees and it's fitted all the way around. I think I got this in a size medium, so it's a little bit big on me. And the sleeves are kind of long, but I really like the color. I thought it was something different. I don't have any clothes in this color, so I just wanted to go ahead and try it out. But yeah, this is the first dress. Alright guys, so this is dress number 2. Well, that was 4. Number 2. It's just a simple black dress, and it's very it feels like kind of like a suede material, and it's just simple black and fitted. It has a little bit of a design around the collar and the sleeve of the dress. So I really love the fit of this dress. It feels really, really comfortable, and I think it fits really nice. This again is in a size small. This one fit better than the first dress, so I'll definitely keep this one. Let's go ahead and try on dress number 3. Alright guys, this is dress number 3. It's just a simple navy blue dress. It has a little bit of details on it. It has these cute buttons, and it is ribbed. It is a ribbed dress in a navy blue color, and it has buttons on both sleeves. I love this one. This one's super cute. This one fits perfectly. Alright, let's go ahead and try on number, what are we on? 1, 2, 3, number 4. So this is dress number 4. It is the last dress. It is too short because my fingertips are touching my legs and not my dress. So it's definitely too short. It is a ribbed dress as well in a nice cotton material in the color black. Super cute, but definitely just too short for my liking. I would definitely have to wear this with leggings or shorts at least, maybe some thigh-high boots with shorts. And I definitely wouldn't go out alone in this. I'd have to wear this out with my husband. But this is the last dress, dress number 4. I still like it. It's still cute because of the little cutout right here. I really love the cutout, but it's just a little bit too short for me. So before I go, I did have to show you guys this last item. I completely forgot about it and I saw it in the bag after the fact. It's just this black and white, or I'd say cream checkered throw. My husband picked this out. He said this is for him whenever we watch movies. So one side is what? Flannel? Is that what you call it? That pattern? I don't know. Checkers. And then the inside is just like a super soft, fluffy material. And this thing is soft and comfortable. So he said it was his, but guess who won't be snuggled in it? Alright guys, so that's all I have for you for this video. I do hope you guys liked it. Please comment down below which dress was your favorite, number 1, 2, 3, or 4. I really didn't like the first dress, the mustard colored dress. I just think it fit a little bit too big, but the color was really beautiful. I'll probably end up giving it to my sister. You guys go ahead, leave your thoughts down in the comments below. If you like videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. That way I know to go ahead and post more hauls for you guys. Today is Sunday, so I hope that you guys have a wonderful week. I hope you have a productive week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!